Measurement. Measurement is a process to determine the exact value of unknown quantity. Measurement is a part of almost every aspect of our life. For example, if we are going to a new place, if we are going to a new place, we will need to know the distance. If we are going to a new place, we are need to know the distance and the time it will take to reach there, so that we can plan our journey accordingly. When buying vegetable, we will want to know their weight to pay the correct amount. To pay the correct amount of money. Thus, we need to measure the quantity of most of the things around us to be able to take correct decision regarding their utility. So, we can say that determining the exact value of unknown quantity by comparing it with a known fixed quantity of same kind is known as measurement. In a simple way, we can say that measurement is a process to determine exact value of an unknown quantity. Now, the two main part of measurement is magnitude and unit. Two main part of measurement is magnitude and unit. Magnitude define how much quantity required. Magnitude define quantity. How much quantity? Define. Unit. Quantity represent by a fixed unit. Each quantity represent by a fixed unit. For example, for the measurement of length, we can use meter or kilometer. Magnitude defined by physical quantity. Magnitude defined by physical quantity. Physical quantity. Any quantity that can be measured is called physical quantity. Any quantity that can be measured is called a physical quantity. For example, the volume of milk in a bottle. The volume of milk in a bottle, the distance between your school and home. The distance between your school or home. The weight of our body. The weight of our body is also a physical quantity. Physical quantity are of two types. Physical quantity are of two types. First one is a fundamental quantity, another one is a derived quantity. First one is a fundamental quantity and other one is a derived quantity. What do you understand by fundamental quantity? What do you understand by fundamental quantity? Fundamental quantity are those physical quantity that do not depend upon the other quantity. Fundamental physical quantity are those physical quantity which do not depend upon the other quantity. For example, length, mass, temperature, time, electric current, amount of substance, they all are a fundamental quantity because they do not depend upon other quantity. Because they do not depends upon other quantity. But derived quantity are those physical quantity. Derived quantity are those physical quantity which derived from one or more fundamental quantity, which derived from one or more fundamental quantity. For example, area, volume, speed, density, they all are derived physical quantity because the area derived by length into width. So length is a fundamental quantity and width is also a fundamental quantity. When two fundamental quantity multiplied to define area, so area is a derived quantity because area derived by two or more fundamental quantity, which one is a length into width. Volume is also a derived quantity because it is derived by two or more fundamental quantity. So the formula of volume is length into width into height. Length into width into height. Next derived quantity is speed. The formula of speed is distance upon time. So speed is a derived quantity. Now next one is a density. Density is also a derived quantity because it is also derived from two or more fundamental quantity. First one is a mass and another one is a volume. The formula of density is mass upon volume. So density is a derived physical quantity. Now again I repeat, measurement is a process to determine exact value of unknown quantity. The main part of measurement process is magnitude and unit. Magnitude define how much quantity. We also call physical quantity. Physical quantity are of two types: fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantity do not depend upon fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity do not depend upon other quantity. But derived quantity derived from two or more fundamental physical quantities. So it is called derived quantities. The example of fundamental quantity is length, mass, temperature, time, electric current and amount of substance. The example of derived quantity is area, volume, speed, density. Thank you, class.